my first ride in 3 months. So the reason I haven't ridden for 3 months is I got ill with a disease called PMR, which is a rheumatoid disease. It's basically autoimmune disease where your blood starts attacking muscles when it shouldn't, and I had really big problems with my shoulders, hips and upper legs and one of my knees, and was in a lot of pain until I got diagnosed early April, and I'm on steroid medication now. And it's like a night and day difference, and yeah, this is my first ride, and I'm hoping I'll be able to go every week from now on. So sorry about no videos for such a long time, but that was the reason. It's a big deer. Hello. Really happy to be out in the mountains again. I love doing this. I hated not being able to ride, but yeah, once I got sick for the first couple of months, I didn't know what was wrong, and it just got worse and worse and worse, and I was getting really worried, so I had no idea what the problem was. Finally got diagnosed, and it's quite unusual. I'm 56. The earliest you can get is in 50s. But most people don't get it until 70 or 80, and only 1% of the population gets it at all, so it's quite unusual for someone my age to get it. Anyway, got medication, feeling a lot better, as you can probably tell, so I'm able to ride, so pretty happy. pleased to be out riding again, and I was actually expecting to be a lot more tired than I am. I lost a lot of weight, about 7 kilos, and most of it was muscle, my arms and legs. But yeah, it's certainly not riding as well as I used to. That's actually kind of to be expected. But I'm definitely going to be out riding every week from now on, so pretty pleased about that.